Hey everybody, Dave here. I'm going to be putting in a brake controller today on this 2013 Ram. Got a Reese Brakeman. Let's get her done. Alright, here's what we're using here. Got a Reese Tow Power Brakeman IV brake controller. And this is the Reese Horticoncha, same part number I believe, wiring harness just for 2013-2014 Ram 1500. So this is all plug and play. Takes us about 5 minutes. Here's the harness. It's about as easy as you can get. It's going to plug in the factory side underneath the dash. That wire and this wire. And then the 4-pin plug here goes in the controller. So let's get digging. Now the first plug we're going to need is this one right here. If you follow the brake switch, follow that wiring, there's the 1-pin. Now the other one, if you follow the steering column up and look under the knee panel, you got these wires together right here. We're going to plug in that one, plug in that one, and we'll be done. So yeah, we're plugged in here. So the red wire, followed it around, heads up there to that plug, and then they give you literally 2.5 feet of wire here to put it wherever you want. We're gonna put it right here. All right, got the wires underneath done. Now I just gotta mount the box. So I'll put it right about there. Take your bracket. Comes with a couple self-tapping screws, and we'll put it right there. Oh Lord. Must be Lisa.
Right. Now it's pretty damn close. We ain't building a space shuttle. Well, they look good to me.
Get this one started first. Dang. Got fucking Rona. So here we go. We got everything installed. Everything's good to go. You can watch a little dot here. Hit the brake. Light comes on. Picking it all up. From here, of course, you can adjust your gain. Set your sync if you want a delay on your brakes, or if you want full gain. Right now it's at 10. You can dial it down however you want to. Buttons are a little hard to get because of where we mounted it, but everything seems to be working fine. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed watching. Catch you again on Powered by Dave.